Hello students, today I am discussing about some formulas and example problem. Before that, I am revising some videos, previous videos. Once listen to that. Revise the video 1. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta hypotenuse by opposite, cosecant theta, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent, tan theta opposite by adjacent, and cot theta adjacent by opposite. Next video 2, relationship between trigonometric ratios, sin and cosecant reciprocal with each other, cos and secant reciprocal, and tan and cot reciprocal with each other. Video 3, revision. Trigonometric values table, that is basic angles that we discussed, 0 to 90 degrees. Video 4. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and sin theta in terms of cos, sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta, cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, secant theta equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta, tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, cosecant theta equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta, and cot theta equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Let's revise the video 5. That is previous video. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Here sin and cos, sin converted into cos and cos converted into sin here, and tan converted into cot and cot converted into tan, and secant and cosecant both are converting with each other. Next, today's class 6. Today formulas. Sin of a plus b. This is the compound angle. Angle is a plus b. A plus b. Two angles are there. Two are in the addition. Sin of a plus b. We can read as sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next, sin of a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus, here plus is there, here minus is just only the difference, cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So reverse, when you got plus, resultant is minus, and when you take minus here, resultant is plus. Next, tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a plus b, cot of a minus b formulas are also there. No need to remember that. When cot is there, you should find out the tan and find the reciprocal, then you can get the cot values. Example problem. If sin a equal to cos b, then find a plus b. Sin a equal to cos b. Solution. Given that sin a equal to cos b, this is the given value. Already we know the formula, that is cos theta equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Now I am going to find out the value of a plus b here. Now I am converting cos b, cos term, into sine. Cos in terms of sine is cos theta equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Why I taken the value is, we are going to find out the sum of the angles here, a plus b. In the resultant there is no trigonometric ratio. In the resultant we are having only angles. That is why, so I want to eliminate the trigonometric ratios here. So in the process of elimination, you should take this formula, that is cos theta equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Here b is their angle, so cos b equal to sine of 90 minus b. So already sine A as usual, LHS I taken, and RHS I converted into cos into sine, b converted into 90 minus b. That is same sine 90 minus, in place of theta I taken b. Next sine A equal to, that is in both cases, both sides sine is there, so I cancel the terms. When you are going to cancel is, if there is no coefficient to the RHS and LHS, then you can cancel the trigonometric ratios. Same process you may do in the logarithms also. After cancellation, the remaining is a here, and here the remaining is 90 minus b. If you transpose this minus b to this side, that converted into plus b, then a plus b equal to 90 degrees. This is the required value, that is a plus b equal to what? 90 degrees. Here equate the trigonometric ratios and find out the angles. This is the problem. And listen to this video and start the exercise 2, today's homework. If you are having any doubts, you can call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you, students.